Fancy Nancy, and today I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm here to show you that they have an amazing selection of gardening tools. So some of my favorites that I've compiled are down here to show you. So not only do they have gloves, which are your basic tool, but they also have this really cute fence that you can like bend and however you want to put it into your garden or around your grass area or anything like that. They have a really cute bird feeder that I thought was super fun. Look how cute this sign is. So fun for your garden. Say you have a basic pot and you want it to be more fancy. They have tools that you can just adhere to the pot to have a fancy pot for your garden. Love this one. They also have really cute windmill things that you can do for your garden that are super fun. These are super like farmhousey type that you can use, and they have different sizes that you can use so that they're super fun with lights for your garden to go around. And I've shown these before, but these are also some of my favorites. They are the labels and tags for your actual garden. If you have fruits and vegetables that you can label and put in your garden, I absolutely love these and use them in my personal garden, and they're just super fun and keeps it organized and clean. And I wanted to show you some other things that they have. They have like fun rocks that you can put in your garden, the tools like the shovels and the hoes that you can put all sorts of different pots. They have vegetables, flowers, a watering to water your flowers, and then over here they have all the gloves, rope, just the whole section full of tons of stuff, and it's all for $1. So y'all need to stop by at the Dollar Tree and come get your gardening on this spring. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.